Hello folks, welcome back to the Dark Hollow Garage. We got a little project we picked up. I put out a couple of short videos on it, and I've been working on it here lately, and I got my dirty old shop clothes on and been pretty busy with it. It's a 1956 Arkansas Traveler V-bottom jonboat. It's a 14-footer. And I kind of found out that it's a popular boat that I never heard of, and there's actually a Facebook group on them too. But I liked it because of the classic styling of it, and we're working on it now. I've got the wood seats all done with clear epoxy in the transom, and I've got it flipped upside down on the trailer, and got it in primer. And my paint finally arrived. So let me show you what we got. Come on. So this right here is our epoxied wood. I don't know if you can, no, you can't see the shine on it in this room. But it's 2 coats of clear epoxy, 2-part epoxy. And I did a short on these the other day. That's our new transom, 1 inch thick. And you can see some of the shiny epoxy on that. The seats are the same way. And then our transom piece here that goes on the outside, it's all 2-part epoxy. Let's walk out and look at the boat. Alright, so like I said, she's upside down. And she is in etching primer, bonding primer. Did a lot of sanding, man. It took days to get it all off. I still got to do this portion right here because I got to get the rivets out and then sand that down to bare metal. Got to get all those rivets out for putting the transom back in. But yeah, she's a wide body. She's like 5 feet wide, or I can't remember. But anyway, yeah, there's the boat, and I'll put a picture in here so you can see what it looks like sitting on the trailer. Let's go look at the paint. So the paint we're using is Duralux Cruiser Blue. That's the color it's going to be. It's going to be a 2-tone boat though. We've also got, well, I got to mix that up, but it's gloss white. Just needs to be mixed up. And we use these foam rollers and a brush tipping method. So there's that. Now let me show you what the boat looked like when I got it. Now let me show you some pictures of sanding. I had to use 5 different instruments of destruction to get all that paint off of there. Some parts of it was on really good. Some parts of it wasn't. Blew right off with a pressure washer. Check these pictures out. And here finally we have all the paint off of it, except around those rivets. It was like a camouflage army green colored, and I could have floated the boat just like it looked, but it's too ugly. Too ugly. But here's the pictures of all the paint gone now. These are the rivets. You have to buck them in with a tool, and the washers that go with them. Alright folks, well that's a short one. Just wanted to show you what I'm up to. Now tomorrow I start putting on the blue paint on the bottom of the boat. And it has to dry 24 hours after the first coat. Then you give it a second coat. And then it's got to dry for a week. And then I can flip it over. Maybe, no, is a week? I have to look at the directions on that again. It may only be 2 days. Anyway, then I can flip it over and I can start bucking in the rivets on the transom with that new wood. And then get the interior painted. It's going to be blue on the bottom, blue on the top, and then a little white strip going down the top of the side. But that's about it, folks. It's a short one. And I'll keep you updated. I'll have another video out of painting it. I'll actually videotape it. Okay? Alright, folks. Thanks for coming in. I'll catch you next time.